5 Best Welding Helmets. The item number 5 is Welding Helmet, Black. Welding Helmet, Auto Darkening, Lens Shade 5 to 13, Not Rated Welding Helmet Light State, Viewing Area 3.74 N x 3.34 N, Welding Helmet Color Black, Welding Helmet Material Nylon, Polycarbonate, 3350 Series, Grind Mode Yes, Electromagnetic Sensor No, Number of Arc Sensors 4, Switching Speed 1/25,000 seconds. The item number 4 is Pro Welding Helmet. Top Optical Class. Optical Class is 1/1/1/1/1 gives you and your eyes the best protection. The wide shade range is 3/4 -8 9 13 covering most common welding, plasma cutting processes, great for TIG MIG MMA applications with grinding feature. The item number 3 is Hobart 770,286. Budget priced helmet has flip front. Adjustable fit, yes. Variable shades, 10. Auto darkening, no. ANSI approved, yes. Adjustable sensitivity, no. Product type, welding helmet. View area WXH, N, 4.5 x 2. The item number 2 is Solar-powered welding helmet. This welding hood has earned a 1/2/1/2 rating and meets the safety and technical standard of EN 379 and ANSI Z87.1. Solar-powered welding helmet with auto darkening filter switching from light to dark in 0.00004 seconds. So you know you're getting the best. The item number 1 is Antra AH62600000. Antra AH6260 series welding helmet is extremely fast responsive to electric arc from TIG, MIG, MMA or plasma applications. This lightweight welding helmet is so versatile that it can be used on grinding, cutting and welding applications. It is a perfect upgrade for goggles and fixed shade glass welding helmet at a fraction of cost. Features: fully automatic power on/off.